The first 10 days of a global nuclear war would be catastrophic, marked by immediate devastation and rapidly escalating long-term threats. Within minutes of the initial launch, hundreds of warheads would detonate across the globe, turning cities into blinding fireballs, with temperatures reaching 50 million degrees Celsius at ground zero. These explosions would vaporize structures and ignite massive firestorms, generating hurricane-force winds that feed the inferno. The immediate aftermath would see widespread death and destruction. People near ground zero would be vaporized, while those further away would suffer from severe burns and blindness. An electromagnetic pulse, EMP, would fry electronics and power grids, leading to a collapse of communication and infrastructure. Within hours, radioactive fallout would begin to spread across continents, carried by winds, forcing survivors to seek immediate shelter in basements or the center of sturdy buildings. This fallout would cause radiation sickness, cancer, and death. As the first few days progress, the scale of the disaster would become clearer, though communication would be severely hampered. The focus for survivors would be on finding and maintaining shelter from fallout and tuning into battery-powered radios for any official instructions. Essential workers might temporarily leave shelters for vital tasks, but self-evacuation would only be advised once hazardous zones and safe routes are identified. Beyond the immediate blasts and fallout, a nuclear winter would begin to set in. Scientists predict that a large-scale nuclear war would inject over 150 million tons of soot into the upper atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing global temperatures to drop by as much as 15 degrees Celsius. This drastic climate change would lead to widespread crop failures and ecosystem collapse, with studies suggesting that billions could starve in the following years. The death toll would climb into the millions, hospitals would collapse, and food supplies would break down. The initial 10 days would be just the beginning of a prolonged and devastating global catastrophe.